So this is my cat right there. That's our cabinets. There's a hole right there. And he likes bread. I'm gonna throw it into a corner there. There's a hole there. And he'll jump in and get it. So see, watch that. See how he just disappears and he gets it. It's funny though. Like, where'd he go? Disappears into the wall. I think it's pretty funny. I'm just gonna jump up and take you guys there to see. I have jumped up and seen inside it a bit before. And you know, chill. You like the home? Oh look, he fell. Let's look inside the hole for ourselves. It fits like perfectly for him. The GoPro? Yes, it's the GoPro. Hello. I just don't want the spider to touch him. He's the only one. Stop, it's the bread there. You want it? You want the bread? See it? Do you see the bread right there? Right there. That's the bread. Ah! He's snacking my finger. Ooh. He loves it down there, like he just chills there. Chill. Spider's right there. Coming towards me like, hey, you look pretty, I want you. Ew, I just slapped the spider. I just slapped the spider. And now it's floating in the air. And now I'm scared it's gonna try to come after me. I don't want it to come after me. It's a daddy long leg. I just don't want it to get on me. So, yeah, that's my cat disappearing to the hole. Say bye, Chili. Oh. He's like, peace. Oh, there's another hole right there. I'm part of the fam too, bro. There's another hole on there. Oh, what the heck is that? Okay. So leftover cake from yesterday. Party. Thanksgiving party. Usually some people are like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That's what that famous person wore today. I don't want to copy the same thing. No, sometimes people just, you know, say bye, Chili.